Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 42. Quaestio 42. Dic quaenam sit decologi summa? Responsio. Summa decologi est ut Dominum nostrum toto corde, tota anima, tota mente, totisque verbus nostris delegamus, proximum verdro nostrum sicut nos met ipsos. Question 42. State or say, what exactly is the sum or the summary of the Decalogue? The answer, the summary or the whole of the Decalogue is, and then we have ut through nos met ipsos, that our Lord, with the whole heart, with the whole soul, tota anima, with the whole mind, and with all our strength, we must love, diligamus. Moreover, or in addition, vero, proximum nostrum, our neighbor, just as our own selves, we must love, diligamus is implied. So the grammar of the question is like this. Dic is an imperative. From dico dicere, it's an irregular, dic duc fac and fair. Second singular, present imperative active. State or say, where precisely or what is the summa? Here's our interrogative, quaenam. What is the sum of the Decalogue? That's the masculine singular and genitive. Then the answer, the sum or a summary of the Decalogue is, and then we're given the summary, namely this ut noun clause, that diligamus, we must love, Dominum nostrum, that's the object in the masculine singular and accusative, that we must love our Lord in four ways, tota corde, tota anima, tota mente, totisque verbus nostris, with our heart, soul, mind, and strength. This, of course, a summary of Matthew chapter 22, you shall love the Lord your God, etc. And secondly, vero, but secondly, we might say, that we must love proximum nostrum, second object here, masculine, singular, and accusative. This is a substantive adjective, proximus a meaning the one who is nearest or closest, and thus our neighbor. And thus our neighbor, proximum nostrum, just as our own selves, nos met ipsos, masculine plural, and accusative, this is obviously quite emphatic, that we must love our neighbor just as we love ourselves.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.